All right. So this is basically what the broker looks like. On this left-hand corner, on this left-hand section, is the currency pair. So and one thing you need to also note is for every currency pair, they are written in two: USD JPY, USD CHF, USD CAD. So the first currency is known as the base currency. The first currency is known as the base currency. The second currency is known as the quote currency. So for instance, USD CAD, USD is the base currency, CAD is the quote currency. Now, the way the market is, or the way the market works is this: the first currency pulls price towards itself and it moves upward. So the first currency moves upward, the second currency moves downward. So when we have USD JPY, this is USD JPY. USD is going upward, JPY is coming downward. Now, every base currency moves the price to itself upward. Every quote currency moves the price to itself downward. Is that clear? Does that make sense? If that makes sense, you please put sense in the chat. Every currency pair, the first one that is written, which is the base currency, it is moving upward. The second currency is moving downward. Now, what determines where the price action will go? What determines where the price action will go is the strength of the currency. So the currency strength pulls the price action. So if USD is stronger, the price action will go upward. If JPY is stronger, the price action will go downward. That's the concept, fundamental analysis. Now, see the price action is currently on 944. It's currently on 945. Can we see? Are we seeing that? 945. Remember, we called the last three digits. It's currently on 945, 946, back to 945. Now, what we do is this. On this currency pair, USD JPY, we are predicting that the market will work its way upward or work its way downward. The price action will go upward or go downward within the stipulated time. So let's do a dry run. Let's do a test. Let me look at Euro USD just to do a test. I'll do a $1 test. So we see Euro USD. This is Euro USD pair. You see the payout is 60%. Payout is 60%. Now, one thing you also need to check is when you come on your broker, this is the timing. Every educator will give you the time to say this trade is within 3 to 5 minutes, or this trade is for 3 minutes. So let's say this trade is for 3 minutes. We're entering this market for 3 minutes. Now, this is the amount. I put in $1 just for test. Now, I am predicting that this market, this price action will work its way downward within the next 3 minutes. Remember, we put the time as 3 minutes. So we are saying that market price will work its way downward within the next 3 minutes. Adding 290, 290, 290. Okay, currently is on, see, it has gone down. It's currently on 275. So now, if a signal is given, this is an example of a signal. Let me write it. This is an example of a signal. Possible 3 minutes bullish or bearish reaction. Now, I'm predicting that the market will come down. So when we say bearish, bearish means it's coming down. Bearish means downward. Some people call it put. Now, this broker has it as call and put. So call means price is going upward. Put means price will go downward. Call means price will go upward. Put means call will go downward. Some educators don't use call and put. They use buy and sell. So they will tell you, buy the market at this price. So some broker has it as buy. Some brokers has it as sell. Buy and sell. Some call and put. Some educators use upward or downward, but I use bullish and bearish. So bullish is upward, bearish is downward. Call upward, put downward. That's the progression. So now if I give a signal to say possible 3 minutes bearish.
That's what she said. That she will not go and drop into.
Can you please mute your mic when you come on? Mute your mic, please. Let me just mute that person. Sorry. All right. So possible 3 minutes bearish movement or reaction. It can be called movement. It can be called reaction on Euro USD at the, let's say I'm waiting for price to come to this point, 291 area or above. Now, this is an example of a signal of a a trade idea. So what you're going to do is first thing is look at the timing. They said 3 minutes. So I make sure I'm on 3 minutes. Now, bearish movement, we know bearish is coming down. We are saying the market will come down within 3 minutes. So we say possible 3 minutes bearish movement or reaction on Euro USD. Now, this is the currency pair, Euro USD, which the payout is 60%. So if we clear this trade, that will be 60%. The timing says, the price says 291, the last 3 digits. It's already on 293, 295. So I just click put. Now I'm in that market. Can you see? I entered at 293. All you just do is click call and put when it gets to that time that they called. Now the market is coming down. This is a test. It's not fake money. This is my money, real money. I'm just need to show you. Now, can you see price action is going upward and downward, upward and downward, upward and downward. Now, for us to get or predict accurately what the price action will do, we use fundamental and technical analysis. Here, we didn't use any analysis. I just used my head because I saw the market before now. I already saw what the market is doing before now. And I know that USD is stronger than Euro. That's why I know that price will definitely move itself down, will push itself downward towards USD. Now, this is the progression. The first currency moves upward. The second currency moves downward. Now, price action goes in favor of the currency that is stronger. And from fundamental checking, fundamental analysis, USD is stronger. So definitely price will move itself downward. But we don't base our analysis only on fundamental analysis. We do technical analysis as well, because sometimes market price can just overturn. So, but for this test, we have predicted that market, can you see market has gone beyond this price? See our payout, $1.6, 60% on our $1. Our other side is $1. Can we see that? Our other side is $1. We entered the trade at 293. Other side is $1. Payout $1.6. Now, if price goes above this point, because we say it's coming down, if it goes above this point and at the end of this particular purchase time, I've lost this $1. Do we get it? But then one good thing about this broker is you have a rollover option. Now, since market is coming, is upward, and I'm not clearing, I just click this button. What this button does is it asks extra 3 minutes for me. Can you see? I'm supposed to end here. I'm supposed to end this trade here. But no, I clicked on rollover and it has added extra 3 minutes for me. So I've not lost this trade yet, because this market might still come down. Remember, we didn't do any analysis before we went into this trade. So that's the good thing about this broker. Somebody was asking me about OctaFX. I said, please do not go there. Do not go there. You see those brokers, not to downplay anything. I was contacted to develop that broker actually. So I develop broker if I want to, I can. But you see these brokers like this, race option, Iqcent, their API is quite different. That's why I recommend staying with them. Pocket option, I can develop pocket option for you within the next 1 week, so long as you pay me the right amount. So please, OctaFX is not bad, but I don't advise that. Stay with this kind of broker that gives you rollover options. You can roll over. You don't need to. If I didn't take a roll, this is where the market would end, and it's above. See our entry point. This is the point we enter the market at 293, and price already at 328. So if this purchase deadline is over, I've lost this market. But I have the luxury of an extra 3 minutes. So we can just hope that market will come down here. Now, like I said, why I said hope is because we didn't do any technical analysis or anything. We just did this as a test. So that's basically how you take this trade. So educators send out signals or trade ideas. All you just do is copy and paste into your broker. The signal says 3 minutes bearish movement or 3 minutes put. So people write it as put. Let me just write it out. Bearish is same as put. Is same as sell. Is same as downward movement. So when an indicator say bearish movement, it means it's coming down. I want to take this trade so I can recover this money. I want to enter the market again. So I'm in the market again. I entered the second time. Can you see my second trade? I entered $2. Same 3 minutes. Now my payout is $3.2, 60% profit. Now, the reason why I entered again is because I'm losing this trade and I don't want to lose it since I'm doing a test. So let me use this to recover this one I would lose. So that's the way it works. So I was explaining bearish is same as put, bearish is same as sell, bearish is same as downward movement. Bullish is same as call. Bullish is same as upward movement. And bullish is same as buy. Can you see what this market is doing? You see why you cannot just go into a market, go into a trade like that. You must do your fundamental and technical analysis, or else you will lose. Now, this one is gone. We've lost it. We've lost this trade because see the time. The timing is less than 30 seconds. This is where price is right now. So I don't know the magic that will happen that will make price come down below this point before the expiration time. So that's why it's important that you do your analysis. And if you cannot do analysis, wait for us to call signals for you. All right. I believe this makes sense. This is how you take what's called on your broker. This is how you take trades. You look at the time, you look at the amount. See, I've lost it. $0 paid. I lost it, that particular trade. Now, amount, and you look at the time, I mean, the price that you were told to enter, the last 3 digits, 326, 327, 328, whichever time, then just click call or put. So it will be specified. All right. If you get this and you got this, please put value in the chat. If you've gotten some value from this explanation, please put value in the chat. If you've gotten some value from this explanation, please put value in the chat. I want to be sure that the new guys got this. I want to be sure the new guys got this. All right. I want to be sure the new guys got this. If you got this explanation, put value, still trying to understand. So this is it. This price action is going upward and coming down. What we are doing is we are predicting that the market will go upward or come down. So when an educator sends a signal, all you need to do is copy and paste that signal in your broker. And how do you do that? For this signal, for example, it says 3 minutes bearish movement on Euro USD. The first thing I want to do is look for the currency pair. This is Euro USD, right? And it says bearish. I know bearish is coming down. Market wants to come down. So I am ready to click put because put is bearish. So when price gets to the point it was called, remember we called the last 3 digits. So when price gets to that region where it was called, I just click put. And that's basically it. That's how you enter into your broker. I don't know if it's clear. You would understand how to analyze the market as we go on. I just wanted to show you how to impute signals into your broker and how to use your broker. That's basically what I wanted to do. So I believe that's clear now. So we can go ahead to look at the market properly and make some money. Are we together? If you can hear me and you're ready to secure the bag, please put some 777 in the chat box. Yeah, I like to say 777 because I'm a 7-figure trader. I'm ready to make 7 figures in dollars. So 777. If you can hear me and you are ready for us to secure the bag, put some 777 in the chat box. All right.